Hello, friends! Today, we're going to meet 20 amazing birds from all around the world. Let's flap our wings and start our bird adventure. Here's a parrot. Parrots can copy sounds, even human words. They love eating seeds, nuts, and fruits. Let's meet another colorful friend. This is a peacock. The male has a beautiful, colorful tail. They use it to show off and impress others. Wow! Look at those colors. Who's next? Here's a blue jay. They are very clever birds and can make many different sounds. Blue jays love acorns and help plant oak trees. That was a clever bird. Here comes one with very long legs. This is a flamingo. Their pink color comes from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. From pink and tall to tiny and busy. Meet the hummingbird. It can flap its wings so fast it makes a buzzing sound and can even fly backwards. From tiny wings to a snowy bird. Here's a snowy owl. They live in cold, snowy places and can see very well at night. Let's find a bird that loves the ocean breeze. This is a seagull. They love the seaside and can spot food from high up in the sky. From the beach to a bird that loves to dance. Here's a cockatoo. They love to dance and make loud sounds. Their crest pops up when they're excited. Here comes a bird that laughs. This is a kookaburra. Their call sounds like human laughter, and they live in Australia. From Australia to the desert. Meet the roadrunner. They are super fast and can run faster than many other birds. Now, for a bird that loves singing. Here's a nightingale. It's famous for its beautiful singing, especially at night. From night singers to bright flyers. This is a kingfisher. They dive into water to catch fish with their sharp beaks. Now let's meet a very smart bird. Meet the crow. They are very smart and can even use tools to find food. Speaking of smart, here's a great builder. This is a weaver bird. They weave amazing nests from grass and leaves. Let's meet a bird that can't fly. This is an ostrich. They are the biggest birds in the world and can run very fast. From the biggest to the smallest, meet the sparrow. They are small, friendly birds that live near people. Here comes a bird that loves water. This is a duck. They can swim and walk, and their feet are shaped like paddles. Now for a bird with a giant beak. Meet the toucan. Their big beak helps them reach fruit high up in trees. We're almost at the end, but we have a few more friends. This is a woodpecker. They tap on trees to find insects and make nests. And now, our last bird. Here's a canary. They are famous for their sweet singing voices. Yay! We met 20 amazing birds today. Which one was your favorite? See you next time for more fun birds adventures. Bye-bye!
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun, educational and motivational videos just for kids. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.